Cut out the front and back side of the pants. Sew the curve of the front and back of the pants with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Place the strips on both sides of the pants and sew with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. With the right sides of the pants facing each other, match the seams of the crotch and sew. Cut out the waistband on the fold of the fabric. Place the waistband around the pants and sew. Tuck in the remaining of the waistband and top stitch it down. Fold down the strip, then fold it over, then sew it close with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Place the cuff around the bottom of the pants and sew. Place the zipper on the back center of the pants and sew. I'm cutting a diagonal line starting 1.5 inches below the armhole up to about 2 inches next to the center of the neck hole. Cut the bottom half of the shirt pattern on fold. The top half and the back shirt pattern should not be on fold. Place the backside of the ruffle facing the right side of the shirt and place the top half of the shirt on top of the ruffle, right sides facing together and sew, and then top stitch it down. Place the back shirt pieces on the front shirt piece and sew with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Place your sleeve pattern on the fold of the fabric and cut. Sew the sleeve cuff onto the sleeve with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Sew the sleeve right sides facing each other with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Match the seam of the sleeve to the side seam of the shirt and sew.